Okay, welcome to EFTM, and let's take a look at the Apple HomePod. Now, I'm halfway, well, not even halfway in, but I'm a small way in here. I'll just sort of show you what I assume would be the shipping box. If you were to have this one shipped direct instead of picking it up in Apple Store. It's actually kind of padded, just an extra layer of soft touch here to the inside of that solid cardboard box, which is an interesting touch from Apple. And then the usual plastic sheath covering the whole darn thing. So once you rid yourself of all that, you're left with this single box. Now, it's a big unit. The HomePod weighs 2.4 kilos, so she's a big unit, and that's the box you'll get there. So let's take a look inside. So basically, if we take the top off, quite a cavernous box with a large amount of protection for the actual unit, quite snugly fitting inside the box there. But yeah, right here, the unit itself, very nice. This is the space grey version, and it is pretty much all you get. Now, the power cable is actually permanently attached to the HomePod, so when you take it out of here, you'll get underneath the power cord. Oh, I've stuffed that a bit. Beautifully, as always, Apple style, ready to go. And you'll see here that it's permanently attached, so it's not a removable cord. Apple logo on the bottom, the only sign of any writing anywhere on the device. Before I uncoil the power, the standard, quite comprehensive literature here, designed by Apple in California, as we know. A round Apple sticker for the back of your car. A very simple, what's this here? Let's have a look. So that's a very simple user guide telling you what to do in terms of using the latest iOS to get access to the automatic setup process, some information about the basic controls of the HomePod, and some Siri instructions as well. There's your HomePod instructions, your limited 1-year warranty for Australian consumers, and a basic information about how to find the HomePod user guide online, disposal info, FCC compliance, and all those little things in the bottom of the box. The cable itself, just bring this up a bit higher here. Cable itself, yeah, in Australian case here, 2 prongs actually attached inside the cardboard here, and these cardboard straps on the side, you don't have to tear them, but they actually kind of clip off the side there, clip off each side, and then the cable will uncoil itself. The cable is actually quite a rigid cable, quite a thick, solid cable, not plastic. It's a weaved fibre up to a rubberized end. So that is the Apple HomePod in space grey. Full review and photos at EFTM.com, and my video guide and video review also here at YouTube and Facebook. Just look for EFTM.
This is EFTM, everything for the man.